Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy. Question is, find LCM and SCF of 17, 23 and 29 by applying the prime factorization method. So by applying prime factorization method, we find LCM of 17, 23 and 29 and also SCF of 17, 23 and 29. Now we do prime factorization of 17. 17 is prime number, so 17 is divided by the number itself. So 17 ones are 17. So we can write here as 17 in the form of product of its prime factors. Now 17 is equal to 17 multiplied by 1. Now we do prime factorization of 23. 23 is also prime number, so 23 is divided by number itself. So 23 is divided by 23, so we get quotient as 1. We write 1 below 23. So we can write 23 is equal to 23 multiplied by 1. Now next number is 29. So we write 29 here. 29 is also prime number. So 29 is divided by number itself. So when 29 is divided by 29, we get quotient as 1. We write 1 below 29. Now we write 29 as product of prime factors. 29 is equal to 29 multiplied by 1. Now find SCF. So to find SCF of 17, 23 and 29, we write them as product of their prime factors. 17 is equal to 17 multiplied by 1. 23 is equal to 23 multiplied by 1. And 29 is equal to 29 multiplied by 1. Now we find SCF. So to find SCF, we find common factors among 17, 23 and 29. So you can see here the common factors among 17, 23 and 29 is 1 only. No other number are common among 17, 23 and 29. So we write 1. So HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. Now we find LCM. So to find LCM of 17, 23 and 29, we write them as the product of their common factors. 17 is equal to 17 multiplied by 1. 23 is equal to 23 multiplied by 1. And 29 is equal to 29 multiplied by 1. So LCM is equal to, now for LCM also, we find common factors among 17, 23 and 29 and write them one time only. So 1 is common. We write common factor as 1. Now in case of LCM, we also write the factors which are not common among 17, 23 and 29. So factors which are not common are 17, 23 and 29 here. So we write 17, this 23 and 29 also. So when 17 is multiplied by 23 and then multiplied by 29, we get product as 11339, that is 11,339. So LCM of 17, 23 and 29 is 11,339. Therefore, LCM of 17, 23 and 29 is equal to 11,339. SCF of 17, 23 and 29 is equal to 1. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.